In this video, we are showing a large Harrow Tine and another small Harrow Tine here. We make these in various sizes, widths of carbide for the various size of the rod of your harrow. By adding the carbide part, this is the part that you weld, of course, to your tine. We're showing here a small one here as an example. This is what you buy from VW. You just let us know if you're starting on a new one. Well, this part here will be slightly shorter than this. If you're starting on one that has got some wear to it, that you want to restore your original length, you of course just supply us with the length that you need, and that's it. A harrow is as it wears out, as your tine gets shorter and shorter and shorter, your harrow becomes less effective, and the cost of replacing the Harrow Tines and all the labor that goes with it is huge. Here's an opportunity to use the carbide here that we would supply you with, the carbide and this part. You'll get 5 to 10 times the life out of your Harrow Tine by the time it's worn out to close to the top here. And when you do that, you simply put another one on. So it just makes good economic sense to keep the length of your Harrow Tine as long as you can. And yeah, give us a call. Thank you.